Welcome to our Green Acres, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I go in and redesign our bedroom to give it a spring and summer refresh. I'm going to start out and take y'all all the way to the finish of what I've got done so far. This spring, we've had a lot of rain here in Alabama, so while everything is wet and soggy on the outside, I thought I would work and start improving some things on the inside. The first thing I did was I went around my room and I surveyed, what it looks like currently. The furniture and a lot of the decor that I've got in the place that it is now has been there for many years. I kind of get things the way I like it, and I'm not one of those type people that change up my things very often. I kind of get used to them and I like them, so they pretty much stay the same. Well, now I need a refresh and I need something new. The second thing I did was I planned out the new arrangement for the room, so that made me have to declutter. So I got rid of the two nightstands, and the dresser that you see across from the bed, that is going to become my nightstand. We also have this stand-up dresser. These two pieces were hand-me-downs from Ben's grandmother. They're solid wood pieces. And a few years ago, I chalk painted them and I distressed them. I'm tired of the distress look on these, so I'm going to give these a couple of coats of fresh paint. I'm going to leave the hardware that's on them now. I'm just going to leave that hardware on them, but I am going to give them a fresh coat of paint and make these look a lot cleaner and a lot better. Once I got the furniture pieces painted, I placed this one over there on my side of the bed, and this will serve as my nightstand. I got this beautiful piece of wall art from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. This is a very affordable piece, but I thought it looked a lot like French country, and that's the style I'm going for. I added a dough bowl with some florals and also this wicker vase. And if you have some lamp cords that are showing and you want to make them prettier, I sell these in my Amazon store. These are lamp covers. You get two of these to a package. You can cut these down to size, or you can use them, as one. They do come with Velcro, so you can pull them apart and insert your plug, or you can do it the way that I'm doing it. It's just a great way to make your lamp cords a lot prettier. Now that I've decluttered some furniture and I've rearranged, I want to rehang this mirror over here in this area. So I got Ben to help me with this. This is a mirror that used to be on a stand, and it was wood color. I took the mirror off many years ago and I just painted it white. Another great way to refresh your bedroom for the spring and summer or any season is to change out your bedding. I shopped for a comforter set that was cozy, but then again, it was, light and airy for spring and summer through the warmer seasons. I have a lot of comforter sets and bedding listed in my Amazon store, and I'll make sure to link this one down below. It comes very well packaged. The first thing I always would like to do is either, if you don't wash it, at least put it in the dryer and fluff it up. And that's what I did with this one. I always put this beautiful dust ruffle on my bed because I don't have a platform bed, but I'm thinking about getting one. So since our bed is so high with the box spring, I love these ruffled bedding options, and I have bought these in like 6 different colors. So I absolutely love these, and these are a great layering detail for your bedding. And like I say, I'll have all this bedding linked down below. But this comforter right here, I took it out of the dryer, and look how fluffy it is. It's lightweight enough to where it keeps us warm at night, but it doesn't make us too hot. So if you're looking for the perfect comforter set for the spring and summer, I highly recommend this one. The next thing I wanted to show y'all was this beautiful bench. And if y'all have watched me very long, y'all know I love decorative benches. The reason why is because they're so versatile. You can use these in any room of your home, and they can add just the perfect detail to a space. You can add throw pillows and throw blankets to these. You can add these to your bathroom and put towels on them. This one right here took me about 15 minutes to assemble it. The only assembly that you have is you attach 4 legs. They give you all the hardware that you need to attach the legs, and look at the quality. The craftsmanship of this wood is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave a link down below for this bench, and I've also received a beautiful chair from them, and I'm going to style the chair for you in just a minute. But I'm going to leave a link to Lue Bona down below, so make sure to go out and check out their website. And they've also graciously give us a discount code. So if you'll type in Teresa15 at the time of your checkout, you will receive a 15% off discount of your purchase. This bench right here is very affordable, and like I say, it will make a beautiful addition to any room in your home. Now, before we go any further and add anything else, I want to show y'all a game changer for me. I have these linked at my Amazon store, and y'all, these are so affordable. You get 4 of these. These just go over the head of your Swivel mop. You can wet these, before you get started, or you can use these dry. I usually wet mine really good and wring it out and then put it on my Swiffer mop. Now, I use a solution of half vinegar and half water, and I've just used a empty cleaner bottle. The cleaner that I was using ran out, so now I have really resorted over to my own DIY cleaner. I've been using this mixture of vinegar and water on my glass. I clean my windows with it. I clean my sinks, my bathtub. Pretty much I have used this DIY solution on just about anything in my home. But look how beautiful this cleaner makes your floors look. It really makes them smell good, and it makes them very shiny and clean. So I'm going to link these mop covers down below. These are washable and reusable. Now that we got the floors all clean, let's move in this beautiful bench. I'm going to place it over here under this window. I did have an accent chair and a round table over here. So I put the round table over by Ben's side of the bed to be his nightstand, since I got rid of the nightstands, and I took the accent chair over to our condo. I'm just going to add some spring details to it and also some summer decor, and just put it over here by the window, and I think it'll make a great addition to really open up this space and make it look a lot more airy and refreshed for spring and summer. Another place that I think would be a great spot for this bench is at the end of our bed. I did move that dresser, so we do have more of a good traffic flow through this area, so I may not leave it here, but I just wanted to give you another idea of how it looks so beautiful at the end of a bed. I bought a few new pieces for the bedroom, but not a lot. I had this DIY dough bowl. I bought the dough bowl and it was black. I did a DIY project on it in a video, and I used milk paint. My milk paint was a fail. As you can see, it had a lot of chipping and it flaked off. I took the hose pipe and I put it on a really strong pressure, and I tried to blow off with the water as much of that milk paint, that flakiness, as I could. I did go over it too with some sandpaper just to smooth it out as much as I could and remove as much of that milk paint as I could. I went back over it with a couple layers of some fresh chalk paint. I went around the edges. I distressed it really well with my finger sander and gave it a distressed look. I styled it with some beads and put it on this tall dresser that I repainted. The wall decor piece that you see behind the bunny, I made that in last week's video. So if you missed that video, I'll make sure to leave a link to it down in the description box and also in a pinned comment. When I was thinking about wall decor for the bedroom refresh, I actually stumbled across this swan. I did not use it in the bedroom because it's on a smaller scale, but this is a large piece of wall decor. It's a black canvas with this beautiful swan, and it's framed very beautifully. This right here, for the price, I could not pass it up. So I'm also going to link it down below. I did end up taking this over to our condo, and I hung it up over there. But I did want to bring it to you in this video before these get gone. I know at the price they are advertising this at, it will not last long. And you can leave this out for all the seasons. I can see this styled around Christmas time with some beautiful green garland, and some red berries. Just really add a pop of green and red to it. So just a beautiful another piece of wall decor that you can use all year long. Another beautiful addition that I made to my home this week was this gorgeous chair, also from Lue Bona. So when you're out shopping their website, check out this chair. This is a swivel bottom chair, so the whole chair will swivel around. If you've got a student or child that is going to college this coming year and you need some beautiful, affordable furniture for their dorm room, this chair right here would be a perfect addition. The seat covers are removable and washable, so that's always a plus. The fabric on this is so soft, very cozy, a neutral color. But like I say, you can throw it in the washing machine. If you were to get a stain on it, it would be easy to clean. I love this chair, absolutely beautiful accent chair, and it would be beautiful to get two of them and pair them with a beautiful accent table. So just another beautiful piece from Lue Bona that, just really will just take your home to the next level. Something else that will add a really pretty touch and detail to your space, and especially your bedding or any space in your bedroom, will be pillow covers. Pillow covers are such a versatile piece that you can incorporate, and these are very inexpensive and they don't take up a lot of room when you live in a small home like I do. So I keep some nice pillow inserts, and then I always try to just buy pillow covers instead of pillows. These pillow covers right here are a beautiful pale sage green. They are made of some good quality linen fabric. These also I'll have linked down below, but these were less than $10 when I ordered these. So for about $5 each, I got a couple of beautiful pillow covers. Accent pillows just really can make your space come together and add just another touch of detail or pop of color. And I felt like I wanted to incorporate some sage green in here in my bedroom for spring and summer, and really to bring out the sage green in the wall decor pieces that I have just put up, and I thought this would be beautiful. I'm going to be on the hunt for a pretty sage green quilt or throw for the bed, but for now I wanted to show y'all these beautiful pillow covers, and these come in an assortment of colors. I'm going to change out the mustard colored pillows that I have on the bed currently because I didn't know if these pillow covers would arrive in time before the video went up, but they did. So since they came today, I wanted to get this in just to let y'all know what some beautiful pillow covers they offer on Amazon at really affordable prices. But I think the sage green just really draws out the colors in the new wall decor that I incorporated. So if you're wanting to add just something, very inexpensive to add a little bit, of a detail to your space, pillow covers can really bring it all together. Now let's go back and recap what my bedroom looked like before I did the spring and summer refresh. We've got a lot of furniture. It didn't look bad, but I was just tired of the design of the room and just wanted to declutter and get more of a fresh look. So here's what the space looks like now after we added all the special touches. We did a little painting on the furniture just to give it a refresh. We got some very inexpensive new bedding and just added some details and moved around some furniture. I told y'all we were getting a lot of rain here in the south, and not only did I refresh my bedroom, but the rain actually it refreshes all the beautiful nature and things that are growing this time of the year. Right now we've had so much rain that we've had mushrooms growing, and the mushrooms to me are so incredible. So I had to take some photos of some of my beautiful nature and florals that I have going right now before the heat gets to them. Everything is so pretty, bright, and vivid. So I'm going to end out the video and just let y'all enjoy and capture some of the beautiful spring flowers that I have growing in my yard. Before we end the video, I just want to say thanks for coming over and watching. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the ways that I refreshed our bedroom. And like I told y'all, stay tuned because I'm going to make some more, add some more additions to it as I go. It's always fun to go in, redesign, recreate a room, but try not to do it and spend a lot of money because I think we're all on a budget these days. So that is some of the fun of it and challenge is to just keep shopping and find the things that you love and find them at some good deals. Until the next video, I hope all of y'all have a great week, and I'll plan to see y'all all back here next Wednesday at 4 o'clock for a brand new video. Bye y'all.